As an experienced executive recruiter operating in the law field, what do you now know about law career development that you wish you would have known coming out of law school?
I think that there are components of what younger lawyers believe they know about how, large law firms, for example, are universally similar. There's this misconception, if you will, that big law firms, whomever they may be, wherever they may be located, are fungible, and that your experience there is going to be the same as it might be at a competitor down the street. And the reality is that's just not the case. It is a mixture of so many things that I think it's incumbent upon the lawyers in those settings to really build their information base through real-time info, and not just simply what they read on blogs or what they pick up in these sort of cursory summaries in large books at the university library. The same thing applies to conversations that they might have with their peers, keeping in mind that your relationship, your experience is going to be different than someone else's. And even though they may be a friend, you may have all the respect in the world for them, your experience is going to be different than theirs. Mm-hmm. So I think that if I could impart anything to myself as a junior lawyer, it would have been, acknowledge and understand that the experiences and the platforms are different. Take your time to really understand what those can look like. And before you necessarily decide that a particular place is or isn't the right thing for you, do a little homework, do a little diligence, shake a hand and learn maybe how someone in a different setting operates. And maybe you might be surprised. But either way, you're going to walk away that much richer because you have that information. Mm-hmm.